In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on Accounts. Click Open under Google and select Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password you wish to check and enter your current login method. Finally, use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!